Hey guys, how you doing? Thanks for watching the video. If you're watching this video, it's because you want to take on this project that we have. So we're just going to jump right into it. This project that we have for the VA, they're going to be Googling information and putting in the city of that information that they put in into an Excel file. So let's just jump right into it. This is the Excel file that we will be sending you guys, and the information that you guys are going to be putting in is going to be this address and this state, and it's going to be the mail address. Actually, that's incorrect. It's going to be the mail address section and then the mail state section. So we'll just jump into the first one right here. We're going to be filling in this area that is blank, which is the mail city, also called tax billing city. So as you can see, about 99% of this list does not have the cities. Some of them do. For this one example, this one does. So if it already has the city in it, you guys will just be putting in that information, and then we'll be deleting that city from if it's in the state section. So that's pretty much what you guys will be doing here. So let's go ahead and delete these. And I think we did one above as well. We'll delete this one as well. All right, so here we go. So we're just going to be Googling information, put that in. So this one right here, 2001 Twin Creek Drive, and the state is Texas. So what we're going to do here, we're going to copy, we're going to go to our Google, and we're just going to put that in Texas. It's going to give us the city. We're going to copy that city and place that city where it needs to go. That is it. We're going to do that with all of this list. As you can see, some of these are not in the state of Texas. So with this one, we'll do one more just to show you how easy this is. This one is in North Carolina. So we go to Google. We'll do the same thing here. And we've got the city there. So we're just going to copy, paste that city, put it into the Excel file, continue to move on. So this is a very quick video. So just to go over it again, we're going to be using the mail address and address, and we're going to use the mail state. We're going to plug that into Google. It's going to give us the city, and we're just putting the city down this file. That is all we're going to be doing here. If you guys want to take on this project, give us an email or respond to us back on Fiverr. And we're looking for about a 1-day turnaround on this one. Like I said before, if you guys want to take on this project, let us know via email or respond back to us on our Fiverr request. Thank you guys. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.